Good afternoon, YouTubers, and what a day today has been. You might notice that gearbox doesn't seem to be over there anymore. Well, that's because after trying to kill ourselves several times, we managed to get this bad boy out, and that was a mission in itself. The maximum height of the crane meant that the sump wouldn't clear the front panel. I had to lift it over, fearing life and limb, and then it wouldn't clear the front of the car because we were jammed against the wall. So I had to do a series of 1,900 point turns with one of the wheels coming over the side of this step. Well, we managed to get around that by wheeling it, and you can see all the skid marks from the wheels there. Look, right on a 9,000 point turn. It's a lovely old piece of teak wood. That absolutely weighs probably 5 to 7 kilos. That's a lovely piece of wood, that. Anyway, that got us out of trouble today. So that thing is back on the deck. And that there is on a little jaunty stand that I had to make in order to get the thing to come down at the right angle. We had fun with them stands as well. The car's gone solid again now. It's probably because it's jammed against the gearbox. So looks like the next mission now is to try and make sense of all this mess. And when I say mess, look at this filler everywhere. They've just smeared every last centimetre of it in filler. 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 Look at it. Crusty, crumbling filler. And they've not even prepped the metal either. Look, it's gone straight over whatever was underneath. I mean, some of the things they do, like making those chassis rails, look at that. That's a bit of outstanding work, really, making those chassis rails. And then they go and back it up with smearing filler over everything and making it look like shit. Still, I shouldn't moan. At least I've got something I can put a cushion on the top of that thing now, make me comfortable while I'm in here for the next 3 days trying to get all the bloody filler off. I better start sorting this out in the morning. It's so tight in there. That was the back of the lifted up, bending that as I was trying to get it out. So there you go. Next couple of days work lined up. I am off to the fridge because I need a beer. Later then.